In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your taxes using Turbotax. Whether you're a seasoned filer or a first-time user, these steps will help you navigate the process smoothly and confidently. So let's dive right in and make tax filing a breeze this year. First, you need to start by visiting the Turbotax official website. It's a user-friendly platform where you can easily manage your tax filings online. Opening up the homepage will give you access to all the tools you need to get started. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and options available. Once you're on the site, locate the Sign In button. This is your gateway to accessing an existing Turbotax account or creating a new one if you haven't done so already. Signing in keeps all your tax information organized in one place. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Turbotax homepage. Here you can kick off the tax filing process. Keep an eye out for the Review/Edit option. This will allow you to inspect your previous entries for any possible input errors or necessary updates. It's a good practice to ensure all details are outlined correctly, as this can prevent potential discrepancies later on. Next, let's talk about setting up your personal profile. Click on the option labelled Personal Profile. Entering accurate personal information such as your name, social security number, and any other relevant details is crucial as this forms the backbone of your tax filing documents. Make sure that every piece of information is up to date to avoid any hiccups during submission. Once your personal profile is set, it's time to report your income. Turbotax offers you a streamlined process for entering all your income sources. This is essential as it's the core component of your tax return. Be thorough when entering details from your W-2s and any 1099 forms you might have. Accuracy here is critical for a smooth filing experience. With your income entered, proceed to input your tax information. This includes entering data about any deductions, credits, or other pertinent tax details you might qualify for. Turbotax guides you through this step with detailed prompts and help suggestions. Take advantage of these resources to maximize your potential deductions and credits. And that's it. With your information correctly entered and reviewed, you can proceed to file your taxes. Filing your taxes through Turbotax is designed to be straightforward. Remember, if at any point you feel stuck, Turbotax provides excellent customer support and resources to help you figure things out. I hope this step-by-step guide has provided you with the confidence to file your taxes efficiently using Turbotax. Thank you for joining me today, and happy filing.